the heart of the earth, there exists a place where life is more brutal than anywhere else. A place that does not belong to humans. A place where every creature born is destined to fight for survival. That place is the Amazon rainforest. Here, death is not an accident. It is part of the natural system. Beneath the murky waters, predators glide forward silently without creating so much as a ripple. High atop the canopy, hundreds of feet in the air, patient eyes wait for hours or even days. And deep beneath the soil, an invisible world is locked in battles that no one can see. In the Amazon, the concept of safety does not exist. There are only two choices: hunt or be hunted. But the most terrifying thing does not lie with the giant predators. The true power of this forest sometimes belongs to creatures so small, you might never even notice them. So, who is the true ruler of this land? Welcome to Amazon, the most dangerous rainforest on the planet. Before we find the one standing at the top of this ecosystem, let's see just how ruthless a world the Amazon has created. If you are fascinated by the mysteries of the wild, subscribe to our channel to continue exploring the hidden truths of majestic nature with us. And if you are watching this video, let us know where you are from in the comments below. Deep beneath the dark primeval foliage, a brutal and spectacular dance of survival unfolds every second. The Amazon, a massive tropical rainforest stretching over 2.6 million square miles. This is not just a forest. It is the greatest biodiversity heart on the planet, holding nearly 10% of all species worldwide. Listen to these staggering numbers. Scientists have recorded at least 40,000 plant species, 3,000 species of freshwater fish, 1,294 species of brilliant birds, along with 427 species of mammals, 430 species of amphibians, and 400 species of reptiles. Even more astonishing? The vastness of the Amazon remains a mystery, because on average, a completely new species is discovered every 2 days. But do not let this beauty deceive you. This is an incredibly harsh, three-dimensional battlefield. More than half of the creatures in the Amazon are forced to live in the canopy layer, where space is extremely tight, and the war for every ray of sunlight is unforgiving. Combined with massive rainfall of up to 90 inches per year, the Amazon turns into a muddy, slippery maze with limited visibility. This dense concentration of life has ignited the most ruthless evolutionary arms race in the natural world. Here, predators are forced to evolve to be stronger, stealthier, and possess deadlier weapons than anywhere else. On the forest floor or in the still, flooded waters, death rarely shows its face. You will never see what is about to end you. In the thick darkness, a ghost is slowly approaching. No sound, no warning signs. Step by step, inch by inch, it closes the distance in a terrifying silence. And by the time the prey realizes its presence, it is already too late. The jaguar, scientifically known as Panthera onca, meaning powerful predator, reigns beneath the dense canopy of the Amazon rainforest, truly dominating both land and water. This great cat is distributed throughout the tropical regions of the Americas, from Mexico to northern Argentina. But it is within the vast, humid Amazon that it truly thrives. Its exceptional hunting skills and unique ability to adapt to harsh, flooded, and highly competitive environments allow it to dominate the jungle. In areas with abundant prey, jaguars are often larger, stronger, and more robust than individuals living in drier regions. Here, they can weigh over 220 pounds and develop a remarkable coat. Under daylight, its fur glows with perfect rosette patterns, as if painted by nature through tens of thousands of years of evolution. These markings are not only mesmerizingly beautiful, but also serve as highly effective camouflage, allowing the jaguar to blend seamlessly into the shifting patches of light and shadow within the Amazon rainforest. Jaguars are commonly found along rivers, lakes, and swamps, thanks to their exceptional swimming abilities and unusual affinity for water. This is a rare trait among big cats, shared mainly with the tiger. Their swimming ability greatly expands both their habitat range and food sources, enabling them to adapt to even harsher conditions. Jaguars also possess extraordinary night vision. Their eyes contain a reflective layer called the tapetum lucidum, which reflects light back through the retina to maximize the amount of light captured, granting them exceptional vision in near total darkness. This adaptation is especially important in the dim environment of the Amazon rainforest. To survive as an apex predator in the harsh Amazon environment, jaguars possess specialized sensory mechanisms that allow them to detect prey even when it cannot be seen. With an extremely sensitive sense of touch and acute hearing, they can detect the slightest vibrations on the ground or beneath the water. This enables them to pinpoint prey with remarkable accuracy, even within the dark and complex environment of the tropical rainforest. The strength of this magnificent feline has long astonished scientists. It possesses the strongest bite force of any big cat, powerful enough to pierce a turtle's shell or crush a skull with a single bite. In every hunt, the jaguar demonstrates not only raw power, but also intelligence and carefully calculated strategy. Along a sunlit riverbank, a group of capybaras grazes peacefully. Gentle ripples move across the water, reflecting the calm blue sky above. There is no visible sign of danger. Yet only a few dozen steps away, a female jaguar is already prepared for her hunt. She lowers her body and moves with absolute precision. In broad daylight, even the slightest mistake could alert her prey. But the jaguar understands this forest better than almost any other creature. She uses every shadow, every bush, every blade of grass swaying in the wind to conceal her deadly presence. Then the perfect moment arrives. She explodes into action. The hunt ends so quickly that the forest itself seems unable to react in time. That is the essence of the jaguar: swift, precise, and decisive. Not meaningless brutality, but the perfection of survival itself. They know how to use the surrounding environment to hide their presence flawlessly. Beyond their intelligent and ferocious attacks, jaguars also possess impressive defensive abilities. They use their agility and climbing skills to quickly escape danger or find safe resting places high in the trees. Their deep, resonating roar, echoing from the depths of the throat, is one of the most terrifying sounds in the rainforest, used to mark territory and communicate across great distances. However, the jaguar's dominance stops at the water's edge. If it dares to venture deeper into the pitch-black rivers of the Amazon, it will face a bitter truth. There, another king already reigns. Deep in the darkness of the Amazon, the water is so still it appears harmless. But just beneath that surface, a force is hiding. It does not rush. It does not show off. It just quietly watches and calculates. Welcome to the domain of a true prehistoric monster, the black caiman. The ultimate predator and the uncrowned king of the Amazon ecosystem. The terror does not lie merely in rumors. It is a reality proven through millions of years of evolution. Reaching lengths of up to 20 feet and weighing over 1,100 pounds, this is not just the largest predator in the Amazon basin, but a biological armored tank. Once hunted relentlessly to the brink of extinction in the 20th century for its precious jet black skin, it has now made a powerful comeback. Tens of thousands of individuals have reclaimed their thrones in protected areas like Manu National Park in Peru or Mamirawa in Brazil. Millions of years of evolution have turned black caimans into perfect stealth assassins. Their dark skin helps them blend completely into murky waters. When hunting, they are masters of patience. Lying motionless underwater, exposing only their eyes and nostrils on the surface, they can hold their breath for up to an hour. Nearly invisible, not a single ripple. But when the time comes, that silence turns into pure violence. The black caiman strikes with a bite force of up to 3,000 pounds per square inch. One of the most horrific bites in the animal kingdom. However, it does not use its jaws to chew. As soon as it clamps onto its prey, it executes its famous technique, the death roll. By violently spinning its body underwater with terrifying speed and power, this twist snaps bones, tears the prey apart, and eliminates any chance of escape. Their menu? Anything they want. From piranhas and water birds to giant mammals like capybaras or tapirs. The Amazon is a fierce battlefield where the black caiman must share territory with giant otters, anacondas, and jaguars. While a jaguar is a nightmare for young caimans, what about a full-grown black caiman? They have absolutely no natural enemies. Their massive size, a bite force double that of a jaguar, and scales as hard as armor make them invincible. They are the gatekeepers of the Amazon, controlling biological populations and maintaining a perfect ecological balance. Though the black caiman is considered the king of the murky waters, the Amazon has never had just one ruler. Among the winding rivers and dark swamps of this tropical forest, another force is quietly rising. A powerful predator famous for a terrifying constriction that commands respect from the entire Amazon ecosystem. The green anaconda, a majestic, mysterious creature possessing incredible strength, and also one of the most familiar icons of this rainforest on the silver screen. They are found primarily in the freshwater regions of the Amazon and Orinoco basins, living in swamps, lakes, slow-moving rivers and streams, where they become fierce and nearly invisible predators. The green anaconda is known as the heaviest snake in the world. Adult individuals can reach lengths of up to 30 feet and weigh more than 550 pounds, impressing with their lean, muscular, and massive bodies. The heavy body weight of the green anaconda limits its speed and agility on land, where it is more vulnerable. Therefore, they are masters of the art of underwater ambush. They can hold their breath underwater for more than 10 minutes, creating ideal conditions to ambush prey without ever surfacing. Thanks to this ability, they can catch fish, water birds, and even large mammals like capybaras, deer, or tapirs when they approach the shore. The squeezing power of a green anaconda is immense, reaching up to 90 pounds per square inch, equivalent to placing a small car on the prey's chest. This pressure is enough to stop blood circulation, causing heart failure and suffocation. After neutralizing and killing the prey, it swallows it whole without chewing. Thanks to a flexible jaw structure with elastic ligaments and a skull that can expand, they can swallow prey much wider than their own bodies. With large prey, the digestion process can take from several days to several weeks. After a grand feast, an anaconda can survive without eating for weeks or even months. This ability helps it survive in environments where food sources may change seasonally. Adult green anacondas have almost no natural predators due to their size, although juveniles must still protect themselves from caimans and jaguars. When spotted on land, they often choose to coil their bodies into a tight mass for defense, like a wall of muscle, or slither into the water to escape.